Welcome, in front of me is a LeEco Le S3, and today I'll show you how to put the device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, you want to hold the power key and then slide down to power off, like so, and wait for it to shut off. Now once the device shuts off, you then want to hold power key and volume down, so both of those keys at the same time, power, volume down. And there we go. So you have entered Fastboot mode, as you can see right here. Press and hold power key to exit and reboot normally. So this is just a way to exit this mode. And yeah, so that is how you enter. Now I'm just gonna exit. So as it says right here, hold the power key. Basically hold it till the screen shuts off. And there we go. And it automatically powers back on in a moment, and we should be in the Android briefly after. And there we go, we're now back in the Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.